What's up, good people? How you doing? This is gonna be my morning 5 for 5. Just making sure everything is set correctly. Yes, yes. Let's take care of that. Who's out there? So this is gonna be on my morning 5 at 5. I'm just going to if I do this for the rest of the month, I'm gonna miss some days in travel. I'm just gonna end it at opening bell, just giving it a try out so we can just talk for 5 minutes, see what's going on, opening bell for 5 minutes. We have 3 minutes. Let me go over a few things. Something that's very important for you crypto investors. BlackRock has partnered up with Coinbase to make crypto directly available to institutional buyers. Let me say that again. BlackRock has teamed up with Coinbase to make institutional crypto investing available. All right. So to me, that's big. That's a positive for Coinbase. It does make the company more viable. It makes it more stable. I still use Coinbase, but I also use FTX. I use both platforms. I have diversified for for stability reasons. Let's just say that. And so when the opening bell comes in 1 minute, we're just going to go right to it. So I'm going to, in about 2 weeks, I'm going to try to do this every Monday and Friday, right? Maybe Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it'll be 5 minutes. So what I'm going to probably do is 5 minutes of opening bell and 5 minutes of Q&A. So we'll call it morning 5 and 5. All right. So, hey, what's going on, good people? How you guys doing? Good morning. Good morning. Let me talk about a few more things while we're there. Let's go right to it. Let's see what they're talking about.
Going to change their mosaic this time next year. So you will not have to think that they're shooting against Intel. Intel plays in that particular segment, which is why Intel's having so many trouble.
We're going to watch the crypto space as well. We'll talk about coin once we get this opening bell. Let's get the CNBC real-time exchange and the bell here at the big board. It's Fiscal Note, celebrating its recent listing via SPAC at the NASDAQ. It's Latin America's first fully integrated platform, Semantics, ringing the opening bell. Jim, Coinbase is going to open up 30 plus.
All right, well, Larry Fink at BlackRock and his Aladdin system technology, leaders in both thought leaders and technology in the fund business. Coinbase, an outfit that the SEC has repeatedly told me, let me put it said publicly, has a 24% short position, and voila, you team those two up and you have Coinbase up 24, it could be up 34. I mean, the short position is that big. Short position is that big.
Today, Citi names it their upside catalyst idea.
Well,
not so much on the BlackRock stuff, but on the Ether, whether or not the Ether move brings some good things in the weeks to come.
Look, I think that Coinbase turned around the moment that we heard from the Senate that crypto might be regulated by the CFTC, which is much more of a loose regulator than Gary Gensler, who, chairman of the SEC, who wanted Coinbase to be viewed as an exchange. Remember, they have more than 200 crypto. The SEC is very concerned about whether there's cryptos that are pump and dump and cryptos that are mid-level marketing schemes. So they have been much harsher. The CFTC is they love to embrace financial engineering, and Coinbase is the leader in that.
Robinhood actually opens up about 3% here, Jim. Vlad Tenev trying to push back on the notion that they're somehow a target.
Well, I mean, they do have a good cash position, but I can't think for.
So you guys see what's going on, Coinbase and BlackRock. As you can see, Coinbase is up real nice, but it's opening bell. Let's see what's going on. Wow, Coinbase is up 40%. Look at that. Based on that news, all right? And so that does give us some stability. Actually, it's good news for all of crypto. Coinbase being the biggest American crypto company, and even Robinhood is running up. I've always said that crypto is not going anywhere. And this merger between BlackRock and Coinbase, well, partnership because it's not a merger, is going to be very positive for crypto. And as you heard, the regulation is going to be positive for crypto because institutional buyers will be able to come in. And I just believe that it will help get a base for crypto for big money to come in. Remember, out of all of us institutional investors, we're only 25% of the market. 75% is institutions. So you got 3/4 of the liquidity that could be pumped in the system yet to come into the system. And so for, when crypto was going down and you got all of these poo who were saying, I told you it's a scam, that's the best time to actually be buying in. And, we are dollar cost averaging because we're in crypto winter. So we're not going to just take this and run and dump all our money in. We're going to continue to DCA. So that's what we're doing. Hey, I showed you guys how to do drip buying. All right. I showed you guys on yesterday how to do drip buying. And I'm going to say this and then I'm going to answer a few questions. So if you look on this video that I posted yesterday, it's very important for you guys to look at that, because if you go to my page, see that guy there looking real serious? If you go to my page and make sure you watch this video, I posted it 16 hours ago. All right. Did we miss the bottom? SoFi on fire. All right. I was a little distracted because we had an extremely bad thunderstorm happening here and the lights were flickering. But go to the end of this video and you will see I show you guys how to do drip buying using the Webull app. For those of you that don't have the Webull app, listen, just go to my description right now and pull it up. Just go to my description right now. If you're on a cell phone, tap the heading and go there right now, download it, because it allows you to do drip buying. For those of you that don't know what drip buying is, I want you to watch the video. I'm going to leave it here. This video after this, I'm going to leave it in this box. It shows you how to, let's say you want to buy Apple and you want to buy $10 a week. It shows you how to set that on automatic one time and it'll do it for you automatically. Of course, you also have to have the money coming out of your bank into Webull, and you can do that automatically. So it's set it and forget it. All right. So where are we on time? All right. I'm going to try to wrap this up shortly. Okay. What's going on? Thoughts on Tesla? I'm DCAing in Tesla also. It's in one of my portfolios. So I've been DCAing on Tesla, and actually I'm positive on Tesla, right? So let me look at that right quick. Let me go to Tesla. Let me see something. TSLE. Boom. So let me show you the power of dollar cost averaging. So if you had bought Tesla at the beginning of the year and put all your money in, you would be negative almost 22%. We that have been dollar cost averaging, and if you're following the Larry Jones $5 a day challenge, we've been putting in $5, $10, $20 a day, whatever you can afford. We are now positive on Tesla in our averaging. So I know there's a lot going on. They're talking about another split and all of that. Tesla is going to be a long-term banger. It is the biggest dog on the yard. You cannot get away from it. Ford is trying to aggressively go after Tesla. Lucid did not do well. Like I told you guys, Lucid is going to have to raise capital, and they're going to have share dilutions and everything. I believe Lucid will be a winner in the long run. But if you're investing in Lucid and you're not ready to continue to invest from now until the end of 2025, all right, when they should become EBITDA profitable, then don't go on that journey, because it's going to be a bumpy ride with Lucid. Tesla's already there. And so that's what I got to say about Tesla. What else? What else we got here? Camera's down. I don't understand. Tilray. Tilray is another one I think is a sleeper. I do believe that Tilray, the laws will catch up. And there again, just like DraftKings, Tilrays, those things are based on politics, laws. When the laws get passed, and I believe they both will get passed state by state, I believe that DraftKings and Tilray, those type of stock plays will explode. And I'm actually DCAing in both of them myself, Tilray and DraftKings. DraftKings is beat down right now. DraftKings is what, like $16? But at the highs, DraftKings was like $62 or $63. So now's the time to be accumulating before the laws get passed. This is just, it's just a season of accumulating. Accumulating with your crypto and accumulating with stock. What else we got? UK recession. Oh, is it? I don't know. Hey, blessings fam, how you doing? Goro, let me tell you something. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna be doing with Goro. I gave you guys some buy-in prices. Yesterday, it came down a little bit. I gave you price points on Goro, which is a gold mining company. I'm going to start to accumulate. If it goes under, let's see here, where is it right now today? When it gets beat down, that's when I buy it. For those of you that don't know what Goro is a gold mining company. And come on, is the internet down? Sorry, good people. It's just taking a minute. There we go. Goro is 168. I did buy a little bit at 167, but just a tiny bit. I really want you guys to wait till it hits the 160 down to 150. That's where we're going to buy Goro. And we're going to accumulate that gold mining only for those that believe that the worst of the recession is yet to come. So that's what I'm doing with Goro, right? Sundial, same thing as Tilray. Exactly same thing. Yep. That's right. Don't be scared. Be prepared. Well, Crow is one of those that are, I'll tell you what I'm investing in right now. I like Crow, and I have some Crow, but I'm not buying Crow right now. But that doesn't mean that you don't have to buy Crow. Remember, 18,000 cryptos. There's going to be a lot of winners and a lot of losers. So my top 5 crypto right now, even with the Solana hack, I'm still doing Solana. My number 1 is Matic right now. So I'm buying more of Matic than anything. And I'll show you why. If you pull up a Matic chart in the last 30 days, you will see that Polygon is up 100%, right? So, hey, I appreciate the super chat. Bless you. So, Matic, which is Polygon. What did I just say? Apple, of course. Not Apple. I'm sorry, good people. Let me get this straight. All right. Let me go down the line. We got Matic. We got Solana. We got Ethereum. We got Bitcoin in that order. That's how I'm buying it. And then I also have some Link. I also have some DOT. Those are the ones, the level 1 and level 2 layers. Those are the ones that I'm buying right now, dollar cost averaging in. And if it goes lower, I'm going to double my dollar cost average. All right. Nvidia is a good stock right now. You know what? Yes, I like Nvidia and I like AMD. This chip build deal is not over. It's going to be, hey, blessings, man. I bless you. I'm supposed to read you guys. Blessings to be blessed creations. What do you think about ApeCoin? I'm not into ApeCoin at all. Nothing wrong with it. I'm just not in it, and I'm just never going to get in it. Yep, Ada's the GOAT. Netflix. I personally am not buying Netflix. My Netflix play is Disney. So they're both in streaming, but Netflix only has streaming. Disney has every kind of thing you want. You know, movies, parks, all of this. All right. I already covered Sundial. Did you say? Yes, CVS is going strong. You know, stores like Walgreens, CVS, those are the ones that do good in a bear market, right? CNBC, that's right, baby. I'm just giving it to you all at once. XRP is a sleeping giant. Is going to be a banger. If you know, I'm going to tell you about XRP. I hope everything is not settled while we're in the bear market. I hope everything is settled when crypto is on the uptrend. That's when, because it's going to have the biggest explosion. The market pays for patience. SoFi, as you guys see, was up 28% yesterday, right? Let's look at it right now. SoFi, yeah, we were up 28% yesterday, and now we are up, look at that. Now we are up 2.35%, which means that we are now green in our $5 a day SoFi. Here again, I got to show you guys, this is dollar cost averaging. I'm going to keep saying that. Had you bought SoFi at the beginning of the year, you would still be down 46%. But because we've been dollar cost averaging in, you should be flat to green right now. So that's a 45 or a 46% different. You can't beat it. Yep, Ave's a good one. Verb, I want you to follow Stocks with Josh for the Verb. I want you to listen. Lucid, I went over Lucid, just rewind this one, okay? And one more. Let's see what we got. I haven't bought it more, but I believe you can buy it in FTX. I believe you can buy XRP in FTX. Okay. One more. Everybody's asking about Verb. I want you to follow Stocks with Josh for Verb. Another mining company. Mining, I guess you meant to say. All right. Hey, good people, listen. I want you to go to my video yesterday. This is very important. And I'm going to keep saying this. I want you to go to my video from yesterday. I'm going to leave it here in the box. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, and make sure not to fall for spam in the comment section. Okay. But what I want, I think, this is what I think. I think that every investor should have Apple, Microsoft, Google, VOO, and VTI in their portfolios. This is just what I think, okay? And I want you to start drip buying that with your Webull portfolio, all right? And if you don't have it, deposit $100 and get started today. Just go to my description and click the link, okay? And what I'm doing, where I'm buying my gold and the worst of the recession is yet to come, I'm going to start buying that with my Moomoo app. That's also available in the link below. So click it, and I'm going to be sharing that portfolio. That's where I'm going to be buying gold when the market is showing that it's strong. This happens all of the time before a hard recession. Okay, so that's where we're at, good people. I'm going to leave it right there. Hey, good people, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now, and we'll see you this evening. This has been the morning 5 that turned into 10, maybe 15. But I love you guys. I want to keep everybody fed. Live, love, laugh, and learn.